The first thing you'll see is a manual to show you how to set up the Energizer and connect it to the internet. Okay. The next thing of note is the user manual here. Don't throw it away. Have a read through it. It gives you some best practices on how to mount the unit and how to get it installed. In the same space, you'll find the power cords. This is a standard computer cable. This side plugs into the back of the unit. This side plugs into your wall socket. Okay. Don't throw this away. It comes with 4 Tech screws that let you mount the unit onto a framing timber or a wall. Okay. Don't throw this away. Get rid of these. The next thing is the unit itself. Obviously, 3 terminals. Red terminal for your fence output, green for your ground, your earth, and then the yellow is for bipolar configuration. There's more on that in the user manual. It's mostly for really dry soil conditions. On the back of the unit, you'll have the 4 mounting locations, and that's where you put the unit on the Tech screws, and you have the inlet for the power cord. Setting that aside, the last thing is the mounting template. Don't throw this away. It'll make your life a lot easier when you go to put the Tech screws onto the framing timber or the wall.